great uses of a 3D printer. So I'm getting ready to go to a job with another technician, moving the gaskets. We're replacing there's gaskets that get stuck to the head. Turbo, pull manifold off, and gaskets off. Put new AT batteries, new plugs, new wires. No two activity. So that valve that I just fell apart in my hand, or has been just resting there, that's the air fuel solenoid, and basically what that does is, depending on what the O2 sensor reads, it'll tell it to open up and apply less than atmospheric pressure to the top of the regulator vent and lean it out. Right now we're full lean. So the oxygen sensor needs to go rich, lean. That valve is what controls that through the input of the O2 sensor. And obviously, hey, you notice when we started this, we didn't get any click. Yeah, I did. Check this out. I was looking at the O2 and you know what happened there? I don't know. We have to fix it. And we'll go. I'm going to loosen this, right? And what I want to do, we're going to turn it on. We're going to look, because when we're lean, we're going to run hot, right? So I'm going to watch the O2. We're going to turn it on. Mm-hmm. You know that graph? Yeah. It stays lean, and then if I can let it go rich, but removing that should make it go rich. So watch this. This line is lean. He's plugged both lines. Just set the wreck. Want to shut it off? Yep. Good. She good. 165, 163. We done.